Okay, so I had this problem where the colors were all of a sudden inverted on my television and I didn't do anything. And so I was able to fix it, and this was my fix. So you click on menu and you go down to support. And then from there you want to go to self-diagnosis. And then you'll want to click on reset and enter the code 000 and then click OK. And the code is 0000 and then click OK, and then it's going to say all the settings will return to factory default, and you click yes, and then the TV will go off and turn back on, and this should fix the problem. This fixed the problem for me after trying pretty much everything that I found online, which was trying to find the DDR menu to smacking the TV to trying to reset the gamma settings. But this is what worked for me. I mean, this screen will start up and you'll have to redo all of your settings, but it's totally worth it for your TV to be fixed. Thanks for watching.